So, Trenchtown traditionally comes from basically Spanish Town Road to the south and comes up Collie Smith Drive, and I'm gonna go down Collie Smith Drive, I suppose. So this is really the top, the very top of Trenchtown, and over there you have Arnett Gardens, the beginning of Arnett Gardens, which is a community that was built in the 1970s mainly to the northern side of Trenchtown. So Arnett Gardens is what was Trenchtown, coming all the way up to, I think it's 14th Street. So that is the stadium, the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. And this is a community known as Brooklyn, which is one of the communities of Arnett Gardens. And we're crossing 9th Street now. Here we are at the northern end of Trenchtown, and this is a roundabout at the top of Collie Smith Drive and West Road. That is a famous water tank known as Tank. Some good meeting spot if you need to meet somebody. This is a scheme called Paradise Court. It was built as part of the Inner City Housing Project by the National Housing Trust. And this over here is a community known as Texas, part of Arnett Gardens. Very glad to see the rubbish truck doing some work. Garbage disposal is a big issue so Paradise Court is all the way down on the right, and here is the back entrance to the Tony Spalding Sports Complex, which is the home of Arnett Gardens Football Club. We have actually just bought 10 solar-powered street lights to try and help improve the street lighting at Paradise Court here. So Paradise Court ends here at 10th Street. This is a community known as Zimbabwe, and this is a community over here known as Angola. And Charlie Smith High School is on your left there. Oh, all right. Yes, okay. Yeah, man, by a circle. Zimbabwe. This now is a roundabout known as Clock Circle. I believe long ago there used to be some monument here and maybe a clock. That is the Trenchtown Polytechnic College, formerly known as Trenchtown Comprehensive High School, and it arose after Trenchtown Comprehensive High School and Charlie Smith were merged into one high school, which is now based at Charlie Smith, which you just saw, and this became a polytechnic college. This was done during the time of my predecessor, Dr. Omar Davis.